You guys are not going to want to miss these massive Shiba Inu news updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We are, of course, talking about Shiba Inu in today's video. We have a few different interesting news articles that I want to go over and a lot of different things that I want to just talk about in general. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The first article that we're talking about is a Motley Fool article. So, full disclosure, guys, there may be some FUD. There may be some bias in this article. There may be some things that you will probably disagree with, but that is why I am here to kind of guide the conversation to hopefully pick out the FUD and the bias that I see in this article, and of course make you aware of it, and of course debunk whatever they might be saying. So first things first, can Shiba Inu reach $1? This is the infamous question. This is what I'm sure many of you have asked yourselves. This is what I'm sure many of Again, this is a constant question in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and just in general, people want to know, can Shiba Inu reach $1? Let's read a little bit about this and see what their overall thoughts are in general. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency stands as the most explosive and unlikely investment winner of 2021. The token's price soared more than 44 million during the past year, and some investors are betting that its run is just getting started. If you've been tracking the Shib token closely and scanning the internet for news and analysis related to the meme cryptocurrency, you might have seen debate and speculation about whether its price can hit the $1 mark. That's a very long way from its price target, or its current price rather, of about 4 zeros and 34 per token, which means that reaching $1 would require additional growth of more than 2 million%. Could this really happen? Let's get real. Oh, all right. Apparently, if Shiba Inu's if Shiba Inu manages to rise to $1, that implies that a $1,000 investment in Shib at current prices would make you a millionaire nearly 30 times over. So again, the question is whether there is any realistic chance of this occurring. Well, while anything technically may be possible, the answer is an empathetic no. Okay, let's read it. All right. Shib, one of the two meme coins that uses a Shiba Inu dog in their logos, will never come close to $1. In some ways, it's hard to see why speculation. Okay, yeah. Let's just get to the point. What are you saying here, Motley Fool? What are you actually saying here? Let me guess. Market cap? Yep, there it is. Okay, has a market capitalization of roughly 19 billion. Okay, yeah, $1 price point. Market capitalization 900 billion. All right. Here's the issue with market cap, right? When I say Shiba Inu will reach $1, there's never a time associated with it. There's never a date that a specific date that I give for this cryptocurrency. And one of the big reasons for that is simply because that's a long-term price target. We are talking literally probably 7 to 10 to even 15 maybe years until something like that occurs. And what will likely cause that to occur is Shiba Inu burning almost all of its tokens. And again, that is something that will obviously take a very long time, depending on the current rates of burns. They could go up, they could go down, it depends. But over time, if those burn rates do go up and we continue to see more and more tokens being burned, I think that we could see something like this. I mean, look at Shib Burn. This is an account that tracks all of the different Shiba Inu coins that are burned on an hour-to-hour basis. 500,000 Shib burned, 458,000 Shibs burned, 4 million Shib burned, 1 million Shib burned. Again, the burns that are being conducted by the overall community right now are consistent and strong, and they're continuing to happen literally on an hour-to-hour basis. So I think that it is a matter of time, a long matter of time, given that we could reach that eventually. It's my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think overall. I think that the market cap argument is it's so old. It's so beaten down. I feel like everybody uses it, and it's like, guys, come on, can you come up with something new, a little bit new, a little bit more flash at least, please? But anyways, that's my opinion, guys. Also, if you haven't already and you guys want to see what exactly I bought yesterday on the dip, because guys, I was doing a ton, and I mean a ton, of buying on the dips of crypto, and if you guys want to know exactly what I bought, exactly the price that I bought, and you want to know in the future what I'm buying, you guys can see my buy and sell signals, stacks of buy and sell signals on this channel. Guys, get joined with our Discord. You guys got to sign up for our Discord. It is such a great value. It's literally $10 a month. It's cheaper than Netflix, cheaper than Disney Plus. It's cheaper than most gyms. And this is something that ideally is going to help you in the long term grow more successful in whatever it is that you choose to be successful in, crypto, stock, and whatever in between. It's a great community of like-minded individuals, all on the same path to financial freedom. And I think you guys will really like being a part of it. So really, get signed up with the link down in the description below. Also, guys, make sure to hit the the subscribe button. If you guys want a free way of supporting us and a free way of also getting access to Shiba Inu news updates on a daily basis, literally like so many times a day. We're always posting whenever there is new news breaking and trying to bring you guys the latest and updated information on Shiba Inu. Again, hit the subscribe button, guys. I know you guys would really like to do that. And I know we bring a ton of value to you guys every day. And I think you guys would really enjoy being a part of the overall community as well. Now, let's go over this article before we wrap up this video. I think this is an interesting article, and it talks about something that could be very exciting for the overall Shiba Inu community. Shiba Inu continues to present a buying opportunity before Shib gains over 100%. 100%. It's quite a bit. Let's read a little bit more and see what they're talking about. So it's basically kind of a technical analysis type of article. There's some pretty advanced methods going here. I won't go into too much detail over it just because I don't want to confuse you guys. As you can see, the volume point of control is the volume profile in an equilibrium area. It is the price level where most of the buying and selling has occurred. It's where bulls and bears have battled the most, and it's a tipping point level in whether each direction Shiba Inu price eventually moves. Those on the opposite side of the trade will get crushed, and of course those on the other side might do very well, but we will have to see. But overall, what they're saying here is that the long trade idea is invalidated if Shiba Inu's price drops below the 402 level, and additional downside risk, of course, below that as well. However, they are probably limited to about 150. I think 150 is about as low as we would likely go before we add another zero instead of delete another zero. Now, what they're talking about here as far as the 100% gain. So as you can see here, the trade idea represents a 4-to-1 reward for risk setup with a limited or an implied profit target of nearly 107% from the entry. That is at the entry, looks like right about here. Buy stop at 375 and a stop loss at 275. Again, this is an article that's saying this. I'm not telling you guys to do this. This is not me giving you guys like a direct trade right now. I would not want to do that. That's kind of crazy. But again, that's kind of what this article is talking about. And overall, I think from what they've looked at so far as what we're looking at with technical analysis, this is something that I think, we could see some potential movement here sooner rather than later. Again, we're starting to consolidate here with the price as far as trading view is looking, and we are kind of starting to trend upwards just a little bit there. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I know you guys always have some interesting takes and, of course, interesting thoughts down in the comments below. Make sure to get joined up with our private Discord, guys, so you guys get access to Zach and I's buy and sell signals. And, of course, if you guys want to get into our YouTube, if you guys want to get updated on a day-to-day basis as far as Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies, one of the best ways to do it is subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button. It's free. It's free to do. Literally the easiest thing on your phone, laptop, tablet, your potato, whatever it is you're watching this on. Hit the subscribe button, guys, if you haven't already. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.